Hey everyone, it's Norm here from I Am Cars, and today you are coming on an adventure with me. So, long story short, we had a previous client of ours phone us, and they said that they have a neighbor looking to sell their Corvette. And they honestly didn't know too much about it, so I know nothing about it. But it sounds like it's maybe a really nice car, supposedly one owner, really low mileage, really well documented. Other than that, I know nothing about it. So we're on board, and it's a nice sunny day, so let's head off to this lady's house and check out her Corvette. And if we're lucky, maybe we'll end up buying it today.
Let me see if it's a shop rag or something here to make sure we don't.
Funnel? I saw a new one.
Okay. There's no smell of gas, which is not a good sign.
The lines are probably completely dry. Yeah.
Fuel comes through. The engine itself, as it's turning over, there's a pump
Yeah.
that pumps the fuel
Yeah,
through.
if it's airlocked, it can.
There could be all kinds of stuff if you know. I'm good with that, but I'm not telling you to do it.
No, I'm.
Just the front ones, I think. This is where the choke area is, so this is what would start it off, and then it would go to that.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
that was encouraging.
Runs. Heck.
20 minutes later.
Got lots of clearance. really long hood.
Like I said, there's a lot
Oh yeah.
in front of you.
Super cool. 1975 Corvette, one owner car, 11,000 miles. Hasn't been driven in about 7 years. Wow. All right, it's mine. 1975 Corvette, one owner, from new. We are backing her out and driving her to the dealership. This thing's so cool. I can't wait to show you guys more about the car when we get it back. All right, driving the Corvette on the highway, and I do apologize, the windows down, they don't work, but we're doing 50 miles an hour. This thing runs and drives really, really well. This is a crazy story. 11,654 miles. It's just rolling over. And when we get back to the dealership, we'll do a proper walk around to this car. And I'm gonna tell you all about it because this thing is so cool. Such an awesome story on this car. All right, we're back at the dealership. And I gotta say, for such an old car, like obviously it's been restored, this thing's so fast. Oh yeah, so sick, so cool. Here we are back at the dealership. We're gonna give you guys a walk around of this. Then I'm gonna go through some of this paperwork and tell you all about this super cool Corvette. Got David taking the Corvette out. It's nice, eh? You're gonna leave it running, yeah? Do you want to tell our viewers what you think of this purchase we just made together?
Going on YouTube.
It is.
I mean, we got called. We don't buy this kind of stuff, but we got called from this elderly lady's neighbor, wanted her to help her out. And I'll tell you what, the car, for 47 years old, is spectacular. Yeah, spectacular for a 47-year-old car. I'm not taking it anywhere, but it's good. We'll put it in our inventory and we'll sell it to some Corvette lover. That's it. I got nothing else to say.
All right, and here it is, cleaned up, back at the dealership. 1975 Corvette. This is a one owner local car from new. 11,600 original miles, and has been fully restored to, I would call this like definitely collector quality, you know, very high quality. This is not like a cheap restoration job. This was like, I'd call this concours quality. Like all these pinstripes, perfect, like absolutely perfect. This car is very well known apparently in the local Corvette community. And like, look at this. This is crazy. Every single service record from day one. Books and pages. These are like thick with every single record. And then look at this. Every single photo documenting the restoration process of this car. There's like thousands of photos. This is absolutely insane. Like, look at just everything. I haven't even had a chance to flip through these, but just absolutely so crazy to see all this. This car, obviously very special, not normal to what we sell here, but not out of the ordinary, because it is, you know, very unique, very special, and that is what we do here at the dealership. So we're gonna get this thing officially cleaned up and through our shop and put it up for sale. I don't think this thing's gonna last long. I think this car has quite a following. So anyways, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. And of course, it's showtime.